All right, guys. Activity 3. So step 3, once we're building the welcome page, we're going to insert a title on this page, and we are going to call it Welcome to My Student Showcase. So over here, I'm going to just move this. So I only have one page, well, actually two, home and welcome. So make sure you are on the welcome page. So click on the welcome page. So make sure we're on the welcome page. And then once you're on the welcome page, you can click Insert. All right, so I am going to click my text box here, and I'm going to type in, this isn't going to be anything fancy from me, welcome to my student showcase. And you guys are much better at this than I am. You can play around with this and make this look nice. I just wanted to show you how to use the insert. Over here you can see a text box, images, you can upload things from your drive, embed, all these things, like I said, you are better at than I am, but I just wanted to make sure you knew where the insert button was, and to just remind you to make sure you are on the welcome page or whatever page you are currently working on. And then you can change your layout if you would like, and then all your main tools right here. So I hope that helps with step 3.